There are several effective natural pesticides you can use to protect your plants from common pests like aphids, whiteflies, mites, and caterpillars, without harming beneficial insects or polluting the environment. Neem oil spray, garlic spray, chili pepper spray, nettle tea, fermented nettle. Nettle is a plant known for its stinging hairs, right? People use it in herbal remedies and sometimes in gardening. Fermented nettle tea or liquid is something I've heard about as a natural fertilizer. But how does that relate to being a pesticide? I should check the properties of nettle. Nettle contains various compounds like histamine, acetylcholine, and serotonin in its leaves, which cause the stinging sensation. But when fermented, these compounds might break down. However, fermentation might also produce other substances that could have pesticidal effects. Nettle contains compounds, such as flavonoids or polyphenols, that have insecticidal activity. Fermentation may enhance these properties. The solution can also be used as a fungicide, preventing fungal diseases when applied to plants. Using fermented nettle as a pesticide could be part of organic gardening practices. Organic pesticides often rely on natural compounds rather than synthetic chemicals. If nettle is effective, it would be a sustainable option. However, effectiveness can vary, and it might not work against all pests. Also, application methods and concentration would matter. Overuse could harm plants or beneficial insects. Fermented nettle might have a strong smell, which could be off-putting. Also, if not properly diluted, it might burn plant leaves. Fermented nettle can act as a natural pesticide due to its potential insecticidal compounds and soap-like properties. It may help deter pests like aphids and mites, but its effectiveness might vary. Proper preparation and application are important. However, more research might be needed to confirm its efficacy compared to other methods. Friends, I really appreciate your attention and support. Fermented nettle, Urtica dioica, can indeed serve as a natural pesticide, leveraging its biochemical properties and traditional use in organic gardening. Here's a structured overview of its potential. Fermented nettle tea is a powerful, natural pesticide and fertilizer made from stinging nettles, Urtica dioica. It's especially effective for boosting plant health and repelling soft-bodied pests like aphids, spider mites, and whiteflies, while also providing plants with essential nutrients like nitrogen, iron, and trace minerals. Nettle contains alkaloids, flavonoids, and polyphenols, which may disrupt insect physiology or act as antioxidants. Fermentation may enhance these compounds or produce new ones, such as organic acids or enzymes, that deter or harm pests. The strong, pungent odor of fermented nettle may repel soft-bodied pests like aphids, spider mites, and whiteflies. Gardeners report success against pests, though results may vary based on concentration, pest species, and environmental factors. Limited studies suggest nettle extracts have insecticidal potential, for example, against cabbage worms, but more rigorous trials are needed for conclusive efficacy. Non-toxic to humans and pets. Test on a small plant area first to avoid phytotoxicity. Avoid spraying flowers to protect pollinators. Target affected foliage directly. Less potent than synthetic pesticides, requiring frequent reapplication and integration with other pest management strategies. Fermented nettle is a sustainable, eco-friendly option for pest management in organic gardening. While not a standalone solution for severe infestations, it can complement other practices as a mild deterrent or preventive measure. Proper preparation and application are key to balancing efficacy and plant safety. Fermented nettle spray is a natural, eco-friendly pesticide and plant tonic used in organic gardening. It leverages the nutrients and bioactive compounds in stinging nettle, Urtica dioica, to deter pests, strengthen plants, and potentially inhibit fungal diseases. Fermented nettle spray is a low-cost, sustainable option for gardeners seeking organic pest management. While not a standalone solution for severe infestations, it complements integrated pest management (IPM) strategies by strengthening plants and deterring common pests. Always prioritize proper dilution and application timing to avoid harming plants. For best results, combine with other organic practices like crop rotation and biological controls.